Boo Carlisle, Sr., Brew Orton, and Daniel Humphries.
Wayne Locklear pounds into Will Brewerton. Wayne lights up the tires as we've got a shoving match in turn number 4.
Stop.
Unbelievable.
Sprinkle, so be smart.
Okay. Way too loose off the corner.
as you can see, as we was getting close to getting ready to race, cloud moved in from I don't know where, but got bittersweet covered up. So qualified third, stepped on it, didn't qualify him. Second fastest all day in practice, and when it counted, still got that cough. I didn't get it done. So qualified third, start on the inside. Hopefully we can get by second place pretty quick. Focus in on little Ricky. He's pretty lights out here. So it started raining, quit raining. Now it's not raining. So hopefully we can get back on schedule. They drying the track now. So go do a little handshaking and politicking. Well, the rain delay's finally over with, so it's time to go 35, Tri-County, 20 lap street stock racing here, rolling off third tonight. Rain's over with and cloudy and a little foggy and whatnot, but been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. That's why there hasn't been so much content today. We got reprimanded for our side skirts, so we had to take them off, and had to take our, hell, I can't remember what it's called, but we had to take some stuff off, body modifications, and we're trying to make the best of it. So, haven't been able to get a whole bunch of content because we've been dodging rain and working hard today. But 20 laps coming up on tap, rolling off third. Hopefully we can go to the front.
Get ready to call some street stocks. Comes down to the end, and hey, look, they listen to the drivers' meeting here. Ricky Locklear Jr., your pole sitter, green flags in the air.
Let's get it going, and good to see kicking Asphalt's Boo Carlisle in the middle of all this. Welcome back to Florence Motor Speedway, my good friend. Surprise, points leader Ricky Locklear Jr. taking the lead over his buddy Brandon Carraway, bringing up second.
Yeah, no surprise here. But Ricky, doing what Ricky has known to do. And I said this 2 weeks ago when we had Carlisle Star Tour come out here. Ricky took it personally that everybody came to town to race a street stock. And he told me downstairs, this is the house that I built. I'm going to continue my winning ways, and that he did, my friend. He took the win on the outside lane, mind you. As you see the gaggle of cars right here, Boo Carlisle was under attack by Mike Cooper. Cooper will get the spot, and there's that sneaky 26 of Will Brew-Orton back there.
Will Brew-Orton and Boo Carlisle both trying to take down Super Coop Mike Cooper as Carlisle gets loose off the bumper of the 26 going down into one. That could have been a bigger moment as Brewerton gave him a little bit of grace there coming down into one. Still early in the race.
Yeah, very, very, very early in the race. 16 laps to go when they cross the line. It's simple for Rick.
This time, Cooper out of Eastern North Carolina gonna make the pass But I bet Boo's grinning from ear to ear inside that race car. He's probably having a heck of a time, and it's been so cool to see another Street Stock Series emerge. He has been a huge part of that, and so has Fred and Mama Carlisle. If you're watching, listening, we appreciate y'all coming out to the racetrack.
Yeah, and it was good to see. He doesn't necessarily announce much that he's going to come out and race, but when he does race, he has a meaning behind it. And here he just wants to have fun. You know, you hear him on Kicking Asphalt all the time talk about how much he loves this place, that it means a lot to him, that this is a kickoff starter of sorts for his tour that went out and raced. And he comes back, I would say, home to Florence Motor Speedway, and he's running. He's running with some very strong cars. Boo figured it out, had a decent practice, and now he's into the race. Can he win 2 championships in a night? I don't know. We'll find out. White flags in the air, 1 lap to go.
One more time around in a points-paying capacity for the number 12 Darlington, South Carolina native, Ricky Locklear Jr. He will pull it into turn 3. Terry, call him home.
Through turns 3 and 4. Give him a half a dozen. Ricky Locklear Jr. gets the win. Caution flag will wave. Brew Orton and the 50 of Ricky Locklear Sr. goes around. And that's going to do it. Brandon Caraway and I believe Mike Cooper, your third place finish with Boo Carlisle, Sr., Brew Orton, and Daniel Humphries.
Wayne Locklear pounds into Will Brewerton. Wayne lights up the tires as we've got a shoving match in turn number 4.
Stop.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, stop. That makes no, stop it. Makes no sense.
Unbelievable move in championship night.
Stop it.
Tempers spilling over.
That's dumb. That's dumb. Get back in your car. Get to the front stretch. Do your interview.
Will Brewerton passing the start-finish line.
It's
Wayne
stupid.
Locklear, a wrecked up front bumper, but he had a point to prove, and there's some cheering and some booing going on in the stands.
Yeah, it's just stupid. It makes no sense to do stupid stuff like that. It's stupid. Like, why destroy your car just because you can? It makes no sense to me on why we have to do ignorant stuff. And somebody stop the 26 from going back on the racetrack. That's ignorant. Stop it.
Brewerton
makes no
overheating
sense.
as
stupid.
Wayne Locklear comes back down, getting a little bit of a word from the official. Watch out.
See, this is just dumb.
And now we've
get
got
them both off the racetrack. This is ignorant. What are we
Brewerton
doing?
Getting out of the car, trying to get to Wayne Locklear's window. It's been tempers boiling over, a season boiling over. The heated rivalry sparking up once again here on the pit lane as we have people running towards the cars. Not a safe situation. Please back away from the race cars if you are not a race car driver. If you are not one of the track officials, back away from the cars.
Both of these drivers need to be suspended indefinitely here at this racetrack. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. We are not a demolition derby. This is a racetrack. Quit using your car as a weapon. Put your car back to the hauler and stop it.
Well, they're out of the car
have
now.
a conversation like grown men. No sense in driving your race car into another human being. Conversation. Stop it.
An absolute wild ending to this one on the last corner of the last lap of the last race of the season for your street stocks. Brewerton, just a surprise, kind of. I wouldn't have expected that kind of melee to occur. So we're going to go ahead and get our victory lane interviews after quite the heated exchange in turn number 4. We're going to go ahead and send it down to Terry Radford here momentarily. Ricky Locklear Jr. was your winner and your champion. I don't see him out there.
Come on, buddy, that fool got fucking wait.
I'll wait, let them get all that shit
Son.
He did Ricky just like he did try to do you.
He fucking right reared me. And that's gonna wrap up a wild night here at Florence. We sucked. Hell, ain't no other way around to say it. You know, some nights you good, was good at Tri-County, went to the front. Not so good here at Florence. Driver error, whatever, I couldn't get back to the gas. We talked about it all day. So we're gonna go get some Mexican food and or something, because we got done early. It's 10 o'clock. But I'm gonna go get something to eat and get ready for Newport, 3 weeks. Going to Newport, Tennessee, October 5th with Bittersweet. We'll be back with the Star Tour next week at Franklin County Speedway. Buck Wild, about said the Madhouse. Madhouse hell was here tonight. So then Martinsville in 2 weeks, the big late model stock race. So got a bunch of stuff coming up, man, but I'm super excited about going to Newport Speedway, fast high bank quarter mile in Tennessee in 3 weeks with Bittersweet. We'll put some new brake pads on all the way around and put our tallest gear in and see how we fare against the mountain boys. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.